The crackdown on smuggled luxury cars continues. Authorities report a Chinese national has been arrested. Just Ignacio is on the phone. Just tell us about the details on this.
The Land Transportation Office apprehended a Chinese national allegedly involved in the smuggling of luxury cars in Makati City. According to LTO Assistant Secretary, LTO Chief Marcos Lacanilao, they received information about the Chinese national after he was reported by a former employee with the assistance of Senator Erwin Tulfo's staff. The LTO flagged down the individual's luxury car, a Mercedes-Benz S500, yesterday in Makati. Inside the vehicle, they also discovered an undocumented firearm. Furthermore, the vehicle's color did not match the color stated in its official documents. The Chinese national is currently detained at Camp Crame and is facing multiple charges.
Just did the LTO reveal anything about the Chinese national's possible connections to other smuggling groups, especially amid controversies involving luxury cars linked to personalities in the flood control scandal?
Actually, that's a very good question. Dahil kanina, the authorities, LTO, Marcos Lacanilao said that authorities are also looking into the individual's possible connection to the luxury cars owned by the Diskaya family. Kanina kasi naitanong din kung may connection ba itong Chinese national na ito doon sa mga luxury cars ng mga Diskaya, at sinabi nga ni LTO chief na sa ngayon, yun yung iniimbestigahan nila kung may connection nga ba itong Chinese na to doon sa mga luxury cars ng mga Diskaya.
Thank you for that report, Just Ignacio.